Ever wondered where the fuse box is located in your 2025 Chevrolet Blazer, or which fuse controls key components? In this video, we'll guide you through the fuse box locations and provide a clear diagram to help you troubleshoot with ease. Engine compartment fuse block. The 2025 Chevy Blazer's engine compartment fuse block houses fuses for critical systems like the engine, cooling fans, and ABS. It ensures efficient power distribution and protects essential components from electrical faults. Instrument panel fuse block. The 2025 Chevy Blazer's instrument panel fuse block manages fuses for interior features like lighting, infotainment, and climate controls, ensuring smooth operation and electrical safety. Rear compartment fuse block. The 2025 Chevy Blazer's rear compartment fuse block supports electrical functions for rear components, including power seats, tail lights, and trailer connections, ensuring reliable operation.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.